keep an eye open for this truck. You guys will hopefully see it in SEMA. So Ford of Hunter World, is Craig from CraigerCoClassic here. We got KC. We got a Ford truck next to us. You're going to bring this to SEMA.
I'm hoping to bring this to SEMA. My goal is to bring this to SEMA. So, long story short, this is not exactly my dad's truck, but it's going to be my dad's truck. So, his truck I was driving in high school. Met my wife while I was driving it, and then finished my green truck, which was then white. He started driving his truck again, wrecked it, and it's been down for many years now. So I got it from him, and I want to put it on this highway chassis. And never built a four-wheel drive. His chassis is no good, so might as well make a four-wheel drive. So I'm gonna do a Coyote on it, 6R80. I'm gonna do an Atlas transfer case. I'm gonna rebuild the Dana 44 and the 60. I'm gonna do better axles, true tracks, or whatever I got to put in. Change the gear ratio. I'm going to do factory steel wheels with factory hubcaps on it, little dog dish ones, and I'm going to use the Supply military tires that they had. It's a 9-16 or whatever military tire. Yeah. It's really cool. It's like 36 inches tall. I'm going to do this factory green color that his was. It was 67 Code U lunar green. So try to keep it as original as I can on the inside and outside.
A little special.
Yeah, something a little bit. Like I want to put a light bar on the front, but not like a LED light bar, like the old AC lights type thing, you know.
That's cool.
I'm gonna bed line in the back. I really want to make it a usable truck, because even after, say we were to bring it to SEMA, which is the goal, bring it back. I want to drive it. My wife wants to drive it. You know, I want to put toolbox in the back, so we can have straps, and you know, we're building a bumper for it in the rear, like custom bumper. It's gonna have like.
Is it gonna be like you're going four-wheeling, or is it gonna be like farm truck?
You know, I don't know. I was talking to my wife about that. Like, I wouldn't say wheeling, because I'm not. I don't want to like crawl rocks in it by any means. But in my head, it's like because we have a ranch. I say ranch. We have some property in Cal, so I'm thinking of it more as like my ranch / recovery vehicle, more than like a
I get farm trucks.
Definitely not going to go wheeling with it. That's not my deal. But you know, I want to be able to take it anywhere and go anywhere. So I already ordered the code digital gauges for it and some things, but I mean, I'm learning a lot about four-wheel drives. I've never, ever built a four-wheel drive. I own a Power Stroke, like a newer truck that's four-wheel drive, but it came that way, you know, and I haven't touched it and stopped. But to build one's different. It's aggravating. It's like I gotta build 2 axles and essentially 2 transmissions and all this other jazz. I mean,
that's cool. Well, guys, he is a Ford for Hunter World member now, so you're going to see a lot of posts about this truck and other Ford truck stuff as well. I want to talk about the whole truck, but let's save a little bit for SEMA.
Right on.
What do you think? But yeah, this guy right here is rebuilding his truck from his father's memories, you know, the memories that you had with your father and your father's truck. So that's kind of cool, which is what Ford for Hunter World's for. So that's cool. Guys, head to KCsPaintShop. Instagram is mainly what you do.
Yeah, I do my Instagram, and my wife shares it on Facebook, so I don't keep up with Facebook as well.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Check out his Instagram there, definitely. You guys are all part of it anyway, we know that. But keep an eye open for this truck. You guys will hopefully see it in SEMA. See you guys.